Welcome guys, so today I am with the ZTE Blade V40s and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in the smartphone. Okay, so first of all, to open the pro mode, you have to go next to the video mode. As you can see, it's right here, and when you open this mode we can find parameters at the bottom. I'm going to show you how we can adjust them. So for the first, right here, we can find exposure compensation. We can set it up between -3 and the +3, and that's the only parameter in the pro mode that you can adjust only manually. Let's set it up on the 0. The next option is the shutter speed. You can adjust it manually or automatically. As you can see, it is working and changing the brightness level. The next option is the autofocus. We can get it automatically or between 100 and 20. So when you go for the 20, it will take like macro photos. When you go for the 100, it will go for the infinity zoom. Set it automatically to get automatic focus. The next option is ISO. We can get it between 3200 and 100 and also automatically. The next option is the white balance. As you can see right here, we can find few presets and they change color and the temperature. When you go with this, the last option, you can use this slider and set it up like you want. Here we can also change the contrast and the saturation on the photo. And when you click right here, you can change the spot metering. By tapping in this place, you are able to use flashlight. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.